These are the elevators at the Lido Presidential in Lido Key, Sarasota, Florida. These were originally general but were modernized with PTL Performer. Sometime a little while ago. Not sure who did the modernization, however. But the four here go up. The four beat was a little shorter. Knocked on the one. Chime doesn't work. Directional. Oh, they're stuck. With you in it? OMG, do not fret. Interesting. This basic, interesting pattern laminate cab. Cabs are not original, obviously. They really put a cutoff for the lantern, meaning the model was probably done before the cab. Yeah, originally had one of these wood cabs. I bet there was some sort of like drop tail lantern or something here. Here about the one, I think it's a little quicker going down. I think this looks like a condo building permanent residences. There, wasn't that's gonna be it.